Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in those notes, it doesn't really matter where, and now we can enter the settings which are here in the left corner, let's say. Now let's tap on select languages, and as you can see we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. All you have to do is simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. I will pick Arabic, so let's tap on it, and since it is marked we can get back. As you can see it appears on this list, so let's get back to the keyboard and check. And actually we've got a little difference right here next to the settings. We've got the key, the language key, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, let's say English, and after tapping on it I can easily switch to the Arabic language. Let's tap on it again and again, the English. So this is it. This is actually how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because probably you do not need two different languages added. So let's enter the settings again. Let's tap on select languages, and as you can see right now we can just untick the language we would like to remove. So I will remove Arabic and I would like to left English only. So let's get back, and as you can see we just got back to the very first step. We've got only English language, we do not have the language key, so we just cannot switch the language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.